Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Right here in this video, I'll be teaching you how to be earning USDT from this amazing site. So watch me to the very end as I describe and teach you how to earn from this site, how to build up teams, how to perform your tasks, how to make withdrawal and earn more benefit. By hitting up on home button here, we are going to know more about the site and how to vividly go with this amazing site. So the first step which I will be teaching you is how to build up a team by hitting up on team. By hitting up on team right here, this is my invitation link. I'll be leaving it on the description and the comment section of the video. Click on it, get yourself registered and start earning benefit daily from the site. Also share your referral link to your Facebook handle and other social media which you have. And as you can see, by building up your team, after you get yourself registered and share your referral links, you'll be having 14% of every value invite which you made into your level 1. Your level 2 you'll be having 5%, and your level 3 you'll be having 4%. So I'll show you more ways to earn on this side, which another one is by VIP. You hit up on VIP. By hitting up on VIP, as you can see right here, I've unlocked my VIP 1, and it starts from VIP 0 down to your highest VIP, which is VIP 9 here. And for you to unlock the VIP, to unlock and purchase a bot, hit up on click to confirm, hit up on confirm. Once you hit up on confirm, these are all network which you can make use of making your recharge, your BIP20 USDT network, your BNB, your TRS20 network, your TRS, your BIP20 USDT, which I'll be making use of BIP20 USDT. By hitting up on BIP20 USDT, all you have to do is to copy this wallet address, go to your exchange, make your minimum recharge and purchase a bot and stand the chance of earning daily. After you make your minimum recharge, hit up on recharge complete. Once you hit up on recharge complete, then you have automatically purchased a bot. And before making any recharge or any deposit, make your personal research, consign the site from, let's say, financial expert. After you make your minimum recharge, hit up on tax. Once you hit up on tax, you are going to perform tasks daily to earn your benefit. This is the task that will enable you make withdrawal. So hit up on tasks. As you hit up on tasks, it will automatically start loading and generating your daily income as the bot which you purchase. As you can see, I've complete performing my task. So let me make instant withdrawal to show you how it works. So we are making use of BIP20 USDT. So let's head up to the wallet address, hit up on USDT. Once you hit up on USDT, choose BIP20, drag this arrow, copy your BIP20, come back to the site. Then you have to long paste the wallet address here. Once you long paste the wallet address, enter your contact details. Once you enter your contact details, enter the amount, which is 1.60 USDT. Then enter your security password. Once you enter your security password, then we are going to make instant withdrawal from the site to be sure that the platform is really unique and amazing. So we hit up on confirm. Once you hit up on confirm, as you can see, this amount of USDT can be withdrawn successfully, and we are going to confirm it in our wallet in 1 to 2 minutes to be sure that the platform is really unique. So let's proceed to our wallet to be sure that the platform is really unique and amazing. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel and the video is valuable to you, don't forget to hit up on your subscription button, turn on your notification bell, give the video a thumbs up and a comment. As you can see, you have made withdrawal of this amount of USDT and the platform is really unique and amazing.